Hello, welcome to 100 Affirmations for Self-Healing and Emotional Balance. Let's begin. I am safe in my body and in my life. I give myself permission to heal. My emotions are valid and deserve care. I release what no longer serves my peace. Healing unfolds naturally within me. I am gentle with myself as I grow. I honor my feelings without judgment. I breathe in calm and breathe out tension. I am allowed to rest. My heart knows how to heal. I trust the timing of my healing journey. I choose compassion over self-criticism. I am learning to love myself deeply. My past does not define my future. I am resilient and strong. I forgive myself for what I did not know before. I welcome emotional balance into my life. I am becoming more whole every day. I deserve peace. My mind is learning to be calm. I release guilt and embrace understanding. I am worthy of care and kindness. My feelings rise and fall, and I remain grounded. I allow myself to feel and then let go. I am patient with my healing process. I choose thoughts that support my well-being. I am not broken, I am healing. My nervous system is learning safety. I treat myself with tenderness. I am allowed to set emotional boundaries. I trust myself to handle what arises. I am growing beyond old wounds. I welcome emotional clarity. I am learning to listen to my inner needs. I release emotional boundaries with ease. I am enough exactly as I am. I allow joy to coexist with healing in my life. I am grounded in the present moment. I choose peace over perfection. My emotions do not control me, they guide me. I am worthy of emotional safety. I forgive others to free myself. I trust my inner wisdom. I am learning to soothe myself with love. I deserve emotional balance and harmony. I let go of fear and welcome calm. I am rebuilding trust within myself. I give myself grace on hard days. I am allowed to feel joy. My heart opens safely and slowly. I am supported even when I feel alone. I honor my healing without comparison. I release emotional pain stored in my body. I am learning healthier emotional patterns. I meet myself with understanding. I deserve healthy, loving connections. I am healing at my own pace. I choose balance over overwhelm. I am emotionally evolving. I allow peace to settle within me. I trust that I'm healing even when it's quiet. I am allowed to change and grow. I release emotional heaviness with each breath. I nurture my inner child with love. I am proud of how far I have come. I respond to myself with empathy. I am emotionally safe with myself. I welcome inner harmony. I let go of emotional resistance. I am learning to feel without fear. I choose self-care without guilt. I am healing all layers I once ignored. I honor my emotional needs. I trust my ability to recover. I am worthy of emotional peace. I soften toward myself. I allow emotions to flow freely. I release old emotional patterns. I am balanced, calm, and centered. I give myself permission to be human. I am healing more than I realize. I always choose self-love over self-judgment. I am emotionally resilient. I feel grounded and supported. I welcome emotional freedom. I accept myself with compassion. I am safe to feel deeply. I trust the healing wisdom within me. I choose inner peace daily. I allow myself to move forward. I am learning emotional balance with ease. I release pain and welcome peace. I am aligned with healing energy. I am whole even as I heal. I let love guide my healing. I am calm in my body and mind. I honor my healing journey. I choose emotional clarity and calm. I am deserving of inner peace. I am healing, balanced, and becoming my true self. A small rhyme for you. I breathe in peace, I breathe out pain. I trust the sun after the rain. My heart grows light, my mind grows clear. I heal a little more each and every year. I breathe in peace, I breathe out pain. I trust the sun after the rain. My heart grows light, my mind grows clear. I heal a little more each and every year. I breathe in peace, I breathe out pain. I trust the sun after the rain. My heart grows light, my mind grows clear. I heal a little more each and every year. Thank you. Bye.